Hey Bill, how's it going? Anything new or something you'd like to chat about today? Sounds like you've got a full schedule. Are these meetings for class projects or something else? Let me look. Sure. There's a bunch of cool stuff happening in AI right now. 1. *** generative AI ***. This involves algorithms that can create new content like text, images, or music. Think of tools like ChatGPT or DALL-E. 2. *** natural language processing, NLP. It's all about teaching computers to understand and respond to human language, which helps in things like chatbots and virtual assistants. 3. *** explainable AI, XAI. This technology helps us understand how AI models make their decisions, which is great for building trust in AI systems. 4. *** multimodal AI***. These models can handle and understand multiple types of data like text, images, and audio, all at once. 5. *** edge AI***. This allows AI to process data directly on devices like smart cameras, enabling real-time applications without needing to rely on cloud processing. 6. *** large language models, LLMs. These are trained on huge data sets and are super useful for generating content, involving technologies like GANs and transformers. 7. *** AI robotics***. These use vision language action models to control robots, improving their spatial understanding and capabilities. Exciting times in AI. If you want to dive deeper into any of these, just let me know. You're welcome though. Feel free to reach out anytime. Catch you later.